Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: a compatible phone, active number, and a recent chat backup. Once done, enroll in the beta program from Google Play or TestFlight. This grants preview builds with new features. Make sure to accept permissions and stay connected to Wi-Fi while downloading. Beta installs can be larger. You back up first to avoid data loss because beta builds sometimes reset local data. After install, open the app and sign in with your phone number to begin the migration. Once inside the beta build, explore settings to identify labs or feature preview sections where options live. You should enable one feature at a time to isolate changes and observe behavior. Make sure to read the short release notes so you understand intent and limitations. Try new tools in a private chat or test group to confirm performance and compatibility with stickers, voice notes, or media. If a feature requires contacts to be on beta 2, coordinate with one person to verify end-to-end behavior. As you finalize setup, monitor app performance for a day, watch battery, storage, and network use so you can decide to keep the beta. If issues occur, first clear cache or force stop the app, then reboot your phone and retry. If instability persists, leave the beta program, reinstall WhatsApp, and restore from the backup you made earlier. This returns you to the stable release. Finally, report any bugs with clear steps to reproduce your device model, OS version, and beta build number to help developers fix problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.